In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Klaviyo and set up your first email campaign. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, having skills in using Klaviyo can give your outreach a big boost. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to go to the Klaviyo website. If you've been there before, you'll likely find it quite user-friendly with its clean interface and straightforward navigation. In case you're new, no worries. Just head to their homepage and log in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is your central hub for all things Klaviyo. From here, you have a comprehensive view of various options on the left-hand menu bar. Next up, click on Campaigns from the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you can manage all your email marketing efforts. The Campaigns section holds the key to creating, monitoring, and managing your email outreach. It's a central place that provides a thorough overview of what emails you've sent out and which ones you are planning to send in the future. Now, this is crucial for managing your email marketing strategies effectively. Once you've clicked into the Campaigns section, you have two primary options for creating email automation. Klaviyo can guide you through setting up your first campaign with helpful prompts and tips, which is perfect if you're just getting started. Alternatively, if you're feeling confident or have specific ideas in mind, feel free to dive straight in and build your own campaign from scratch. Either way, Klaviyo provides a flexible platform that caters to both beginners and more advanced users alike. Whether you decide to use the guided setup or create your campaign manually, you'll find that Klaviyo offers a range of customization options. You have the ability to segment your audience, personalize email content, and analyze the performance of your campaigns in a detailed manner. This level of granularity can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. And there you have it. Those are the fundamental steps to getting started with an email campaign on Klaviyo. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now feeling equipped to go ahead and experiment with creating campaigns tailored to your business needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy marketing.